Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best night vision kids is probably one of the most exciting and innovative gadgets you can get for your children, offering them a unique opportunity to explore the world around them in a whole new light, quite literally. Imagine the adventures they can embark on, discovering the wonders of the night, whether it's stargazing in the backyard, embarking on a backyard safari, or simply adding an element of thrilling discovery to their playtime after dusk. This isn't just a toy, it's a gateway to curiosity and a tool for imaginative exploration that can transform ordinary nights into extraordinary experiences, fostering a deeper connection with nature and the unseen. Number 5. SpyX Night Ranger Set. Get ready for thrilling adventures with the SpyX Night Ranger Set. This incredible collection is designed for young secret agents. Equipped with special night mission goggles, you can explore even after the sun goes down. Discover hidden secrets in low light. Keep your base secure with the included motion alarm. It alerts you to any unexpected movement, ensuring your mission stays secret. Confuse your targets with the voice disguiser. Alter your voice to sound completely different, adding an element of surprise to your missions. Communicate undetected using the invisible ink pen. Write secret messages that only you and your allies can reveal. This complete set provides everything a young spy needs to embark on exciting missions. It's time to put your skills to the test. What we like. This is a comprehensive spy kit for aspiring agents. If you're looking for a complete package with multiple gadgets to fuel imaginative play, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love to create elaborate spy missions and enjoy a variety of tools. What people say. The screen is large and clear, making it easy to see the baby. The night vision feature is excellent, providing a clear image even in complete darkness. The camera is easy to set up and connect to the monitor. Number 4. ALLOMN Spy Night Vision Goggles. Discover a new world after dark with these amazing night vision goggles. Perfect for young adventurers, they bring the night to life. Equipped with adjustable LED lights and green lenses, these goggles enhance your vision in low-light conditions. Explore the night like never before. Designed for kids, they offer a comfortable and secure fit with flip-out capabilities. Easily adjust them for the perfect view every time. More than just fun, these goggles also help protect your eyes during various activities. Keep your vision safe while you play or explore. Whether you're hunting, racing, bicycling, or skiing, these are your go-to accessory. They are built for all kinds of exciting outdoor adventures. Get ready for endless nighttime fun and exploration. These goggles are the ultimate tool for any young explorer who wants to see what the night holds. What we like. This offers enhanced visibility with its green lens and flip-out lights. If you need goggles that provide a clear view in low light and also protect your eyes during activities like hunting or cycling, this is a great choice. It's designed for active kids who want to see and be seen. What people say. The night vision feature is surprisingly clear, allowing kids to see in the dark without issue. The design is very kid-friendly, with easy-to-grip handles and simple controls. It has a good range for its size, making it suitable for exploring the backyard at night. Number 3. FARR 20x50 Military Binoculars. Experience the world with incredible clarity. These binoculars offer a powerful 20x magnification and a large 50mm objective lens, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects with ease. They are designed for everyone, from adults to kids, making them ideal for any outdoor adventure. Enjoy a larger, more detailed image thanks to the big eyepiece. These binoculars provide a wide field of view, allowing you to see more and capture stunning full-screen pictures or videos. The adjustable eye cups ensure comfortable viewing for all users, including those who wear glasses. See the difference with professional-grade optics. Equipped with BAK/4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses, these binoculars deliver exceptional brightness and image quality. You'll enjoy sharper, crisper images, making every view a breathtaking experience. Built to withstand the elements, this device features a shock-resistant, rubber-coated body for a secure grip. It's waterproof and fog-proof for use in various conditions, though not meant for submersion. Enjoy clear vision even in low light, perfect for concerts or stargazing. This set includes everything you need: the binoculars, a carrying case, cleaning cloth, neck strap, and lens caps. We are committed to providing excellent customer service, ensuring you receive a satisfactory solution within 24 hours if you have any questions. What we like. These are powerful binoculars for detailed observation. If you are an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys bird watching, traveling, or even stargazing and need a clear, magnified view, these are ideal. They offer professional-grade optics for both adults and kids. What people say. The product works great and is easy to use. The design is very user-friendly and the features are impressive. The product has a long battery life and is very durable. Number 2. Tiny Traveler Baby Monitor with add-on camera and travel kit. Replace traditional baby car mirrors with this HD 5-inch touchscreen monitor. It instantly records HD 720p footage, capturing precious moments during your travels. Avoid turning around to see your baby and keep your eyes focused on the drive. With a versatile backseat headrest mount and USB power, it's the perfect travel companion. Capture HD 720p footage of your little one's journey. Save those precious and unforgettable moments during your travels. Enjoy automatic HD night vision and avoid waking your baby with car lights. This ensures a peaceful and undisturbed journey for everyone. Conveniently take it on the go with up to 4 hours of battery life and a versatile mounting clamp. No assembly is required for this backseat camera. What we like. This is a dedicated device for keeping an eye on your baby during travel. If you are a parent who needs peace of mind on the road and wants to monitor your child without distraction, this is the perfect solution. Its portability and night vision make it ideal for car journeys. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. Number 1. AGM Kids Night Vision Goggles. Tired of uncomfortable goggles? These are designed for a comfortable fit with a soft nose pad and adjustable straps, ensuring your child can wear them for hours of fun. With built-in lights that beam cool blue light, these goggles allow you to see up to 25 feet away in the dark. They're so cool, your kids will love them. These are ideal for any night activity. Wearing them will make your child the star of the show and easy for you to spot in the dark. More than just a fun toy, these goggles offer eye protection with an ergonomic design and a wide field of vision, ensuring safety during playtime. This Spy eyewear toy is the perfect surprise gift for birthdays and holidays. Get ready for their next big mission. What we like. These goggles are designed for comfort and fun in the dark. If your child loves spy games and wants to explore their surroundings at night with a cool gadget, these are a fantastic option. They provide a good view in low light and are great for nighttime adventures. What people say. The night vision feature is surprisingly clear and works well in low light conditions, allowing kids to explore their surroundings without fear. The design is child-friendly with easy-to-use buttons and a comfortable grip, making it perfect for little hands. It has multiple functions like a built-in flashlight and a zoom capability, adding extra fun and utility for playtime adventures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.